Hi and welcome back to a brand new QuickTip by JANUS Engineering. After we have uploaded a video last month, we received a question in the comments area if there is a function in NX that generates toolpaths and saves the part file in a single click. Well, the short answer is no, there is no such thing. But due to the journal functions within NX, we can create a functionality that is making exactly what we expect. And today we will show you how you can achieve that. But first things first, let me get back to my NX. And here we are. Well, as you can see, I already do have opened up a CAM part, and within this CAM part, a few operation needs to be regenerated. And after regenerating, I want it to be saved automatically. Well, as I already mentioned, in this case, we will have to use the journal functionalities within NX. How can we activate them? First of all, go to Menu, Tools, Journal, and now I will hit the record icon. The system asks me now for a file path where the new journal will be saved. I'm selecting this one here, and also I can give it a name and I'm gonna call it Gen and Save. I will click on OK, and now I'm already in the record functionality within the journals. Well, every single icon that has this little green dot in here is symbolized as a recordable functionality. So every function will be recorded within the journal. In my case, I want the whole CAM program to be generated. So therefore, I will click on Generate Toolpath now. Once I have accepted it passes, I want it to be saved as well. So I will hit the Save icon. Now everything is already recorded. How can I tell the system to stop the record? First of all, Menu, Tools, Journal, and now we will hit the Stop Recording icon. Now the journal is recorded. And now I have also the possibility to replay it. For this I can either use the Alt and F8 shortkey, and here I have to select the journal that I just have created, that I just have saved, and click on the Run icon. Now it's regenerating again my toolpaths, and after that my part file will be saved. To be honest, to execute the journal every time with Alt and F8 is a little bit more difficult in my opinion. So therefore, let's speed up that even more. For that, I will go to my JANUS Tools tab up here, make a right click, go to Customize. In this dialog, I have the possibility to add a new item. I'm selecting new item. I will drag and drop the new user command button up here, and now I'm having an empty button. So therefore I can first of all give it a name, for instance Gen and Save, and I also want to edit the action. I will select the edit action icon, and here I have to browse for the journal that I just have recorded, this guy in here. Click on OK. I can give it a description. What is happening with that guy? Generates and saves a part. When I click on OK, I'm done with the edit of the action. Once I'm in here, I also can go on the keyboard section in here. On the very left side, I'm going down all the way until I see my buttons here. And I also see my user commands. And the very last one is the Gen and Save functionality that we just have added. For this, I want to create a new shortcut. It's gonna be like Alt and G. Assign it. Hit on Close. Say Close once more. So when I click on the program folder up here, I can go up and say Gen and Save. The journal is finished now. Every single toolpath got regenerated and the part file got saved. Let's take a closer look into another part. That part here was saved the last time at 12:46 o'clock. And once I will go on the program folder again and hit on Gen and save, we see that every single toolpath got regenerated and the part 1 file has a new time step when it was last time saved. So let's go and take a look at the third part. But this time I will not click on the Gen and save icon in here. I will use my short key for that, Alt and G. There we go. That was the final part, and when I take a close look at it, it also just got regenerated and saved in that very minute. So there you go. Now you have the solution for your issue. I hope you're doing well so far now, and I also of course hope that I could answer your question. If anyone else out there also want to know some special things about Siemens NX, please do not hesitate and ask them in the comments below. And by the way, we also appreciate every single subscription of you guys and every single like icon. Thanks a lot and see you next time. Bye.